How to crop video with CapCut. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to simply launch your CapCut application, and you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of CapCut. To start, you just have to tap New Project and import the video or the file that you wanted to crop using CapCut. For example, this video here. All you have to do is simply tap the video and then look for Edit. It's below here. So you can swipe this. Okay, next to speed, styles. Okay, you can see here, edit. Tap this one. And then you can see also here, crop. So you just have to tap crop and you have choices and options here. Okay, you can pick and select any of the ratio or size. Or if you don't want any of the sizes here, you can just tap free and then you can crop or resize the video whatever you wish or whatever you like, just like what I'm doing right now. Okay, so you just have to move this square using your finger, and that's it. Now once you're satisfied with your video, I mean the outcome, you can just simply tap the check here and export your video. And that's how to crop video with CapCut. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.